So I was driving back north from Lake Clifton and I thought I'll just call in and see another giant because it was on the way back, and I put it into Google Maps and here I am. This one's at Hall's Head and he's doing some kind of prayer or something, saying hallelujah, because he's sitting up on the hill looking out on the ocean. So I'll get a bit closer and continue the video in a second. Just walking up the hill towards the giant, Thomas Dambo giant, one at Hall's Head. Zoom out a little bit, see it a bit better. Yeah. Hallelujah. Straight out looking on the ocean. This is the view he's got. The sun's starting to set, so it'll be looking right in his eyes at the moment. A bit closer to this one, you can see his beard actually made of just a bunch of sticks. Quite clever. A lot of detail. Just the rear view. Again, he's had a healthy summer of eating.